The Caribbean Sea. The Caribbean Sea is a tropical sea in the center of the Caribbean area. The body of water is part of the Atlantic Ocean. It is bounded by Mexico and Central America to the southwest. To the north by the Greater Antilles starting with Cuba. To the east by the Lesser Antilles and to the south by the north coast of South America. The geological age of the Caribbean Sea is estimated to be about 180 million years. It was formed by a horizontal fracture that split the supercontinent called Pangaea in the Mesozoic era. The sea's deepest point is the Cayman Trough. It is between the Cayman Islands and Jamaica at about 7,700 meters. The Caribbean Sea is surrounded by numerous islands of the West Indies and adjacent mainland coasts. There are more than 7,000 islands in the Caribbean. The nation with the most Caribbean islands is the Bahamas. The archipelagic state consists of more than 700 islands, cays, and islets in the Atlantic Ocean. Cuba, with an area of 110,000 square kilometers, is the largest island in the Caribbean, followed by Hispaniola and Jamaica. In the tropical waters of the Caribbean Sea the average temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and it varies no more than 3 degrees Celsius. The Caribbean Sea is home to 9% of the world's coral reefs covering about 50,000 square kilometers, most of which are located off the Caribbean islands and the Central American coast. The waters of the Caribbean Sea host large, migratory schools of fish, turtles, and coral reef formations. It is home to the world's second largest barrier reef, the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, which runs 1,000 kilometers along the coasts of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras. The coral reefs in the Caribbean Sea are threatened due to the increased temperature of the sea because of global warming. The name Caribbean derives from the Caribs, one of the region's dominant Native American groups at the time of European contact during the late 15th century. It is also well known as the location of the Pirates of the Caribbean films. The Caribbean Sea is famous around the world as a tourist destination. Tourist attractions of the region are those generally associated with a maritime tropical climate, scuba diving and snorkeling on coral reefs, cruises, sailing, and game fishing at sea. Credits.